goes all the way back. This is my legroom in the back here. Good morning ladies and gentlemen, or good afternoon wherever you may be. Welcome to MattMacc on Cars, and welcome to the first point of view drive. It's an Audi A3 Saloon in black, and this is the A3 35 TFSI, which is the 148 brake horsepower engine and 250 Newton meters of torque. We'll start off with the boot. As you can see in there, it is pretty big. It goes all the way back, which is good. So you've got an extra 60 litres, which brings you up to 425 litres of boot space. You'll sit in the back as well. It's a 5-seater. I'll just jump in here and show you guys exactly what you've got. Now I'm 6 foot, or 6 feet if you like, and this is my legroom in the back here. So not too bad, and that's when my feet sort of comfortably extend it. It is quite a nice place to be. So of course this is the 1.5 TFSI, and there it is. So of course it's a little bit dirty, guys. We are in Scotland, and as you can see it's kind of dark looking, so it has been raining. Put that down. Being this the sport model, you get 17-inch wheels here. You get nice sort of sport trimmings, you get satellite navigation, and of course you get sports seats, which look quite nice. Now these ones aren't heated. Now I've got the 6-speed manual here, cubbyhole space. I have a nice little, you've got 2 sort of cup holders here where my phone sits quite nicely. You have space in here as well. You've got space down the side of the door. We also have some space in here as well, obviously your normal kind of space that you would get, and there's also a little safety sort of triangle thing, sort of high vis in case you break down, which hopefully that won't happen in here. And of course you can get this car with sort of vanity mirrors, etc. So like in most Audis, you get your sort of drive select now, which obviously you select that button, and you can choose between sort of efficiency mode, comfort mode, auto mode, dynamic, individual. So efficiency is obviously your eco, comfort's nice and sort of comfortable drive, automatic, the car will kind of sort of adjust to what you're doing, and dynamic is your sports mode as well. So I usually like to keep it in auto, good all-rounder, and I've got a sat nav here as well. You've got this little mouse in the middle that you can sort of move up and down, and you can of course navigate through the menus here as well. So overall, the car is really nice, and one of my favourite features, I have to say, is this little pop-out screen. We'll go for a little drive, and I'll let you guys see what this is like.